So a tree as a concept is a data structure similar to a graph, but there's certain things about the graph that must be true for it to be a tree. So a tree is a type of graph basically, but it's a graph that must be connected. It must be undirected. So connecting being all the objects must have a connection with at least one other object. It must be undirected, which means there's no direction attribute between two objects that are traveling in certain directions. And finally, it must have no loops or cycles. If it's got a loop or a cycle, it can't be represented as a tree. Okay, loops or cycles are, if we look at the example in the bottom left, if there was a link between C and D, there would be a loop, because there'd be a loop round from C, B, E, D, and back to C. So that's a loop. So must be connected, must be undirected, and must have no loops or cycles. If those things are true, then your graph can also be represented as a tree.